welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making coconut ice cream. It's really delicious. So I'll be showing you the ingredients that I'll be using in my ice cream. So first, coconut cream. Coconut cream is really good to use. It's very nice and creamy. The coconut cream. Look how nice and thick that is. Very thick. So my stove is on medium at this point. Then we're going to add some evaporated milk. This really gives your coconut ice cream a nice flavor. So we're going to add it in. Then we're going to add our condensed milk. Then we have some vanilla. We're going to add that in. We also have some cinnamon powder to give it a nice flavor. And then we're just going to mix. So nice and thick that is. This we're going to leave on the stove for 8 minutes long. So we're just going to set this aside for it to cool. Okay, so I have some whipping cream here. I'm going to use 2 cups of whipping cream, or you can use 2 cups of evaporated milk. So we're just going to add that to the bowl. We're just going to clean around the edges. So this is nice and fluffy. We're just going to add our other ingredients in. So here we have our coconut liquid. We're just going to add it in. Take your time and add it in. So I'm just going to fold that in. So you just add it until it's finished. So here I have some coconut flakes that I'll be adding. This is optional, guys. You don't have to add this. I'm gonna add it in. You just fold everything in. Beautiful. We're gonna leave this for 6 hours long, and we're not gonna open the fridge, all right? Until after 6 hours. So I'm gonna give that a taste test. Tastes delicious. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside. So here I have a plastic container. I'm just gonna pour my ice cream in. Beautiful. This is the beauty about making your own ice cream at home. You can have whatever you want in there. You could put some raisins as well. You name it. You can put some strawberries in there, whatever you want. Nice and beautiful. I'm just gonna use my spatula to just even things out. Wonderful. And then we're gonna cover. You're gonna make sure it's covered properly. Okay, so this is 6 hours after my ice cream. So now I'm just gonna plate it. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Look at that. Delicious. So we're just gonna scoop it up. Just turn it this way. So we're just gonna scoop it up like that. Look how delicious that looks. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna plate it. So now I'm gonna put a little coconut flakes over it like that. Lovely. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.